For the paper reader machine, you need to collect the power. First is L1, L2, L3 is parallel, and N is louder. N is louder, and P is protect earth line. P is protect earth line. So here is and here is solid state relay and solid state relay, and the phase protection, and the PLC control, and the 7 motor inverter control, and the PLC control, and the heater system is here. Heater. Here's a heater. You need to collect the electric power and the compressor. Compressor air is here. Compressor air is here. And inside here is a main motor. Here is a main motor. And inside there is oil. There is oil. Here is oil. Here is oil. This is the oil for the lubrication. And here is total power and feed paper and start. Two start button for start. And here is stop and urgent stop. Here is for jog. Here is for jog. And here is for reset. Here is for reset. And inside the English system, the main page is inside the English system. Here also can start and then stop. And here is jog. We work with the jog and jog. And oil pump and the learning motor working and temperature control and jog screen. Jog screen is to check the function, the fan sack, oil pump, and the learning motor is on. This one is on, and the silent oil and the silent oil injection, knurling, and the cap out, the paper blowing the paper, the air, and the conveyor motor, and the cap cylinder, and the parameter. You need the password 282 line password. And here is the oil injection. Oil injection for the silent oil. Silent oil injection to the sponge. And the oil injection port can and the silent oil injection can. 3 minutes and the lead number. And here is the silent oil. Cap out shift and the others here is loaded. And the most important is the angle, the cap fan sack angle. Here is the sack paper angle, and the paper detect angle. Paper detect angle is this sensor. For the sensor is inside. Inside here is a red. Red sensor. You see? Here is a sensor. Here is a small sensor. This sensor detects the paper. This sensor detects the paper. Paper detect angle. And the cap out angle. Cap out angle is for the sensor here. We are simple sensor here for the lead out. Paper blowing angle and paper blowing silent ion. Paper blowing angle is for this one. For the paper blowing paper to keep the lead out. Paper blowing. And the wastage line angle, this one is low use because this one is for the real paper. And the injection angle for the no lead, and the stop angle is 45. This one no change. And the blowing the silent oil, for the silent oil blowing. And here is a double layer. You feed the sheet paper here, and here is for the silent oil sponge, silent oil. Oil insert inside, and automatic transfer by the valve. And here is a double paper. Each double layer paper detection. This one is yellow, is low paper, and the red is double layer, double pieces, and green is one piece. And here is a fold, insert and fold to the mold. And after heating and after first pre-fitting and learning. 等一下啊。This one is the pre-folding, the first pre-folding and fold for the fold. First pre-fold and second the heating and fold press and the third fold, third heating, hotel heating, and here is for the second folding, and here is for the learning. While with paper, the learning motor is working. It's for the learning. And then you need to come out. Come out to the conveyor. You need to clear to the conveyor. Conveyor need also the air. You need to clear to the air pipe from here. And here is the parking machine. The parking machine pipe for the compressor. And here is the conveyor belt, conveyor control. You clear to the lead out and conveyor system. And here for the stop, while feed the lead and while push the lead, here stop. And here is the collect, the fire, the electricity collect. The electricity collect. Here is red, and here is blue and blue, red to red. Here is the collect, the power. And here's a switch the air for the lead, for the support the lead, because the lead maybe fall down. Well, fall down is auto fall. Well, slide down is auto fall. So you need the air to help the lead stand, and the lead not touch, the air not touch. You can open the switch to control the air. And here is a film. Here is a switch. And the power is collect. Power collect is here. It's a single lamp, single phase. Here the power is collect. Not here. The power collect is here. The single phase. It's L1 and FeeNoT and low line. Only two lines, single phase. And here is the compressor. And the film collects here. The film and here inside and into here. And here is the feed paper. With the lead, and here is the film. Here is the horizontal ceiling. It's a long ceiling. This one is vertical, and also the this ceiling to cut, seal and cut. Now here is two heater, and here is two heater. You can open here. And here is the switch for the film, separate and open, separate and open. And here is the urgent stop, jog, inch moving, jog, stop and start. If you want to stop, you can stop the machine and manual testing. And while you feed the film, you can manually. And here for stop, and for start, you press start. To start the film, the machine. And inside, here is the heater system. This depends on the film thickness and what kind of film. Here's inside the lumber. Here's the total pieces, how many pieces can make testing and how many pieces in the package. And here is the current count, and the count number. And here is the counting speed. Here is a 0, and here is the length, the parking length, 600 mm. Because here is the count 6 pieces, and the parking length is 600. You need to set it against the number. This big size you must over 40 pieces, because the length limit. And here you must have collected. That means this collected is clear to this online, clear to this part, clear to this system, control online. Here is the sensor and the step motor to feed, and here is the sensor. Here is the sensor for count, for the lead count. The sensor counts the lead, Here must have on, and then we go to the time set. Time set normally low change. Normal, no change. If you want to change, you should tell us. And here is a here's a setting page. Here's a setting page. Here's a setting page. And here is a time set. And here is the manual page, manual testing. Manual page. Manual page. Here's for testing, jog. If you have any problem, you can test this part. And here user login. User login is low use. Low use, low set, low use. And here's a monitor page. If you have problem, you can send us this information. And we check the monitor page. We check the monitor page. And here is the machine for start for the 180 mm for the big size lead. Okay, here we start the machine now. Okay, we'll start the machine. How? Okay, we feed the need. Very important. The P is underside. PE. P is underside. P is underside. Here the creasing backside. Here the creasing backside. You see, here the creasing backside. Here the creasing backside. And here the creasing front side. Here the creasing front side. Here the creasing front side. The PE film, you can think of PE, underside, because underside the PE film and insert and make the lead. PE underside, PE. You fit the paper here. The creasing, very important is the creasing. You must make good creasing. You see, the creasing should be appear and good enough and not blocking. Okay, here we start. Here we feed the paper to start. Here feed the paper. Here stack the paper, silent oil, and the double layer. You see green and yellow, and insert. And the first paper, the heating, and the second body, and the learning is working, and then start. And here is the conveyor. Here is the conveyor, control the speed. And here is the conveyor, transfer to here. And here is the counting. Here is the two-side blower. Two-side blower the air. Help the lead stand. This need to come out. You see, finish need like this. Here is the parking and the machine working system. Okay, here's the machine working. 40 ounce, 134, 180, 183, 184. Excellent. You see, excellent.